Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. We called today's video the support group. By the way, I want to tell you that we share both exclusive and well-known, simple and complex knowledge that you really should, and perhaps even must, have for the prevention of various diseases. Just look at how many different forms of cancer are showing up in people around us. For improving your health, and for overcoming very common mistakes pushed by not entirely scrupulous promoters and mouthpieces driven purely by money, let's be straight about it. Our channel is not rap, not jazz, not lambada, not erotica, not cute cats, not politics. If you don't want to listen to us or take our advice, well, go right ahead, the navigator is in your hands. Just make sure it doesn't end up like that old joke. I feel so good, I feel better than ever in my life. I step outside, see someone being carried away, take a closer look, turns out it's me. Anyways, sorry, a little poetic detour there. So, to keep your gut bacteria happy, in quotes, and thriving, you can support them with prebiotics. These are food components that stimulate the growth and activity of probiotics or specific types of bacteria in the gut. There are no official consumption norms for prebiotics, but healthy eating guidelines do a great job of filling that role. For example, the standard dietary recommendation is to eat 5 servings of fruits and vegetables and at least 1 source of whole grains per day. And the more variety of vegetables, fruits, and whole grains you have in your diet, the more diverse the bacterial composition in your gut will become. The main sources of prebiotics are whole grain cereals, buckwheat, oatmeal, wild brown rice, quinoa, whole grain flour, and bulgur. Any product that contains even some whole grain is a source of prebiotics. All legumes, beans, lentils, peas, chickpeas. Thanks to their high dietary fiber content, which is also a prebiotic. All fruits and vegetables. Among the top leaders, of course, are bananas, tomatoes, asparagus, berries, and also onions and garlic. Thank you for watching. Stay with us. Subscribe to our channel.